This video will show you how to convert a Google Sheet file to Excel. Once you're in your Google Sheet file, at the upper left corner of the screen, click File. After that, hover your mouse cursor a little downward until you get here in Download. Once you're here, you will see 6 options. Choose Microsoft Excel and click that. Once you've clicked that, at the upper right corner of the screen, you will see the file downloading. Click the download icon. And by clicking this folder icon here, it'll bring you to where the downloaded file is located. And then double click the most recent file to open it. And here you will see that your Google Sheets file has already been converted to a Microsoft Excel file. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching!